Hi Martha, I wanted to share this video to show you the templates I created and how to use them. So I did a little bit of digging, and you cannot, unfortunately, have a background image on Google Docs, but you can on Google Slides. And so I created two slides templates, as you can see here. Um, in our, let me see what folder this is in. So it's just in my big long title folder under a new folder here called Google Templates. And so if you go in there, you'll see these two files, Slides Template Landscape and Slides Template Portrait. So I'm going to go into the landscape version and show you how to use this. So it's pretty straightforward, but you are sort of dealing with pages, almost, if you think about it in terms of pages. So I'm going to show you all the different layouts. So one of the benefits of Google Slides is you create basically a theme. And so as you can see, I've embedded the landscape background that Katie supplied, and there's all these different layouts. I went ahead and updated the font to the Lato font. That is the brand font, so that was consistent. And you can use all these different layouts. I've adjusted them all to kind of fit properly within the template, and they all have the sort of pretty frame in the background. So to use them, what you would do is you would first open this slides template landscape file, and you would make a copy. So this is really important because otherwise you're going to be editing the landscape file itself. So always make a copy first. So I'll go ahead and do that now. So I'll call it slides template landscape test, and just click OK, and that will duplicate it into a new window. And you can tell that when you're in your new file, you're a copy, because it will say the title up here at the top, and you can always change that. So I wanted to show you kind of how this works a little bit, how you would add different layouts. So in slides, it provides all these kind of placeholder boxes. So you just click in and type whatever you need in each one. They all have various different layouts. And to get a new layout and a new slide, you would go down and click in here to access all those different layouts. So if you wanted a title and 2 columns, then you would click that, it would insert that slide, and you could then click in and change your title and add your content in the columns. And there's a lot of different layouts here. There's a nice blank one at the end. If you just want to kind of roll your own layout, then you can do that too. Create a text box or insert images, things like that. And then for the portrait version, it's the same thing, just in portrait layout. So both of these I've sized to 8.5 by 11 so that they're printable. And if you wanted to design a PDF or a deck or something that you could then send as a PDF to someone, you would create it like this in Google Slides, and then when you're done, you would go to File, Download As, and then choose PDF, and it would give you a pretty version of this deck that you've put together in a format that's the same size as a letter sheet of paper. So I hope that helps, Martha. Let me know if you have any questions.